So, sorry for the interruption. So where was I? Yeah, his right foot mated with his left foot and gave birth to a six-headed giant to whom's name escapes me right now. And also very weird, I think a giant appeared from both his right armpit and his left armpit. Yeah? What? No.
Yeah.
No, you can't tickle me.
Okay.
What happened next? Oh, right. So, how did this giant named Emir feed? What nourished him? Why, it was the cosmic cow. Adumla?
What?
I think its name was Adumla. I don't quote me on that. I don't know for sure if that is correct or not. But what Emir would do would be he would suckle from the teat, the udder of the cosmic cow. Yeah, that's how he got his nourishment. But how did the cow get its nourishment? It would lick from the ice of Niflheim, I think.
Is that where the frost giants are?
No. Well, maybe. They had a separate world. And they weren't all frost giants. They had a place called Jotunheim.
Oh, that was Jotunheim. That's right.
That place was created later. So the cow would lick the ice of Niflheim. Eventually, during its licking, it either uncovered or created the god, the father of the gods, Buri. Buri. Father of Bor, Bor, who was the father of Odin, Vili, and Ve. I can't really remember what happens immediately next, but somewhere along the lines, Odin, Vili, and Ve slaughtered Ymir and then used his corpse and his blood to create the world, Earth, if you will. And then they would go on later to create Vanaheim and Asgard.
That's where Disneyland is.
No, not Anaheim. Vanaheim. There is a V at the beginning of that.
Right.
So,
They're all Heims.
huh?
What does Heim mean?
World.
Oh.
I think Vanaheim meant world of the Vanir.
Okay.
I don't know what Asgard would be.
Oh.
Like top world, Aesir world? I don't know for sure.
There's
I don't actually.
Svartenheim
I
or
don't.
something?
Yes, Svartalheim.
Svartalheim.
Svartalheim. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But
It's where the dark elves come
dark elves, not wells.
Hmm.
And I think maybe the dwarves also lived there. You know, a city called Nidavellir. Where was I?
They created the earth with Ymir's blood.
Created the world with Ymir, Midgard.
Oh, this is Midgard.
Yes.
We live in Midgard.
Yes. So, I think Odin Villian eventually created mankind from like the bark of either an oak tree or a birch tree. I don't quite remember. I don't know trees very well.
We know a lot of other stuff, so it's okay.
Yes, I do.
The tree thing is
I
forgiven.
know stuff.
You do.
I think I did pretty good with the creation myth. Let's just end it with explaining what the other 9 worlds are.
Okay.
So, or all 9
All of
worlds,
them.
not the other.
Okay. So we've got Midgard.
Midgard, that's where we are.
Yes.
Then there is Asgard, the home of the Aesir, ruled by Odin.
Okay.
Then there is Vanaheim, ruled by the Vanir, Vili and Ve.
Odin's brothers.
Yes.
Okay.
That's 3. Yeah. Jotunheim, the home of the giants.
All giants, not just frost giants.
Pretty sure. I think that's just a Marvel thing.
Okay.
The whole ice giant thing.
Okay. Ice giants? Or that they're frost giants?
Frost. What the fuck ever.
You say potato. I say potato.
That's 4. Alfheim, the home of the elves. Yes.
Okay.
The next one is like debatable. I don't know if it means that there's actually supposed to be 10 realms, but I think the way it goes is there is Svartalheim, the dark world, where the dark elves live, but somewhere in there is also a city called Nidavellir, where the dwarves live.
Okay.
So that's 6 realms so far.
Yeah.
At the beginning, there was Muspelheim and Niflheim. Muspelheim is the fire world where the fire demons live, including their leader, Surtur, the fire giant, lives, where he will continue to forge his doomsday sword until the time of Ragnarok.
It comes out next year.
Yeah, it does. I can't wait for that. That's so cool. Next, Niflheim, the ice world. I don't actually think there is any life there. It's just there.
Okay.
Finally, there is Helheim, ruled by Hel, the daughter of Loki. That's H-E single hockey stick, by the way. She is the ruler of Helheim. She continues to work on the construction of... I forget what the boat was called, but it is the Boat of Nails. It is constructed of the finger and toenails of every person who has ever died dishonorably.
Oh, that's ew.
Gross, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, I conclude this drunk mythology. Happy New Year, everybody.